Good morning, students. Today we will discuss ways to reduce friction and ways to increase friction. Very simply, you have understood, reduce friction means the surface should be plain. If it will be plain, it has less bumps and holes and it should be smooth. So, first of all, we have to make the surface smooth. Easily we can reduce the friction. So I think previous class we have completed that by pouring a talcum powder, oil, all these things we can reduce friction. Streamlined body, the object have streamlined body, so it is mainly to reduce friction. Today we will study hovercraft. Hovercraft is running between the water and a layer of air. Water and air. It reduces the surfaces and hovercraft can move easily because it reduces friction. And last one is ball bearing. I think you have seen the ball bearing. Ball bearing is a ball of metal, very smooth. Between the two sliding machinery parts, the ball bearing is kept and it makes easy to move these sliding parts. So all this thing uses to reduce friction. Now we will study how to increase the friction. Here I am showing you. First of all, to increase the friction, we have to increase the bumps and holes of the object. If bumps and holes increases, surface become rough and we can easily increase the friction. So first thing, pressing of the surface. If we press the surface, then what happens? The bumps and holes of this surface and this surface will get interlocked tightly, so friction increases. Brake shoe, I think you have seen in the cycling when we apply the brakes, this tire is moving, brake shoe goes and touch this one, so it will decrease the speed of the tire and slowly it will stop. So brake shoe, it is rough surface. Paddles, you have seen paddle is having rough surface. Brakes, you have seen it has a rough surface, so that we can make a better grip and easily we can apply brakes. Tire, you have seen tire of the vehicles, it has grooves. Some designing is made like this. That means surface is rough and friction increases, so that when tire will move on the road, the grooves of the tire and rough surface of the road, it will make a better grip and easily the vehicle moves, it will not slip over. Again, parachute. If we are just coming down by using parachute, so what happens? We are applying pressure downwards, air is applying pressure upwards and we get balanced it and slowly we comes down. So by doing all this process we can increase the friction. Okay.